Hello and welcome to our video on the Qifutan Phone Mount for car vent. Today we'll be discussing the features and benefits of this product as well as how to install and use it in your vehicle. Let's get started. The Qifutan Phone Mount is a versatile and convenient accessory for your car. It features an adjustable grip that can hold phones of various sizes ranging from 2.3 to 3.5 inches wide. The mount is designed to clip onto the air vent of your car, allowing you to easily access your phone while driving. It is made of high-quality materials that are durable and long-lasting, ensuring that your phone stays secure while in use. One of the main benefits of the Qifutan Phone Mount is its ability to keep your phone easily accessible while you are driving. This allows you to use your phone for GPS, music streaming, or hands-free calling without having to take your eyes off the road. The adjustable grip also ensures that your phone stays securely in place even on bumpy or rough roads. Plus, the mount is compatible with most air vents, making it a versatile option for a variety of vehicles. Installing the Qifutan Phone Mount is quick and easy. Simply clip the mount onto the air vent of your car and adjust the grip to fit your phone. The mount is designed to be easily removable, so you can take it off when you are not using it or switch it to a different vent. Using the Qifutan Phone Mount is also easy. Once your phone is securely in place, you can adjust the angle of the mount to get the best view of your phone screen. The mount also allows you to rotate your phone 360 degrees, giving you even more control over your viewing angle. The grip is strong enough to hold your phone securely, but also allows for easy removal when you need to take your phone with you. Overall, the Qifutan Phone Mount for car vent is a versatile and convenient accessory for your car that can help you stay safe and focused on the road while still allowing you to access your phone's features. Its durable construction and easy installation make it a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable phone mount for their car. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video was helpful.